All right, welcome back. So now, okay, we did all the analysis, uh, preliminary analysis in the previous video. So in this video, I want to go through and see and build like a front end with all the, with like a dashboard that can do all the analysis that all the, that displays all the analysis in an interactive and functional manner. So let's try to do that with all the three things again. So here, let me stop the Gemini, and I'll also open Claude again. So, okay, so then I say I trust this folder. So, okay, so let me start with codecs. So here again, I'll give it very, very simple rules. Like, so I have this claude.md file which had some information on, okay, this is how it should be and all of this stuff. Like, but maybe I'll not say all of that. Like, I'll just say, so I'll just say, given all the analysis that you did, I want to build a simple and interactive dashboard that is slick and neat, which can showcase all the analysis that you did. The dashboard needs to be in a simple HTML and JavaScript, which I can host or run on my local browser. It should not have any other dependencies or like server-side scripting. It should just be a simple HTML and CSS and JavaScript file, but it should also be very interactive. Again, like, I mean, this is super redundant, like, has all these errors in it, like whatever, but let's see what it gets to. So I'll give the same thing here and here. And here in Cloud Core, because I stopped it because it was running out of the thing, I'll just say this. Hopefully it'll work. Let's see. And then, so, okay, let's see what they're doing. So here it says I'll build a single dashboard HTML file. It's checking out like what are the outputs that it produced. So here it says, okay, why not? Okay, so it's already creating something, right? Like, so it wrote some Python script for the creating the dashboard. So here's the plan. Create a data preparation script and create these files. Okay, then yeah, then update the thing. Okay, it has already written some stuff. It is okay. Let's see this here. Okay, uh, allowance. Okay, so it's just running all the other files also that it wrote. And okay, let's check actually what Gemini has produced. Okay, let's open this. Open dot. So we go here, Gemini. So here, these are all the code that it wrote. Gemini, in the previous video, we did not check it, but I think the actual analysis, I think, is all in this log.md. Okay, this log.md is just showing me what all it wrote. I don't think it ran the analysis like OpenAI, the Codex thing did. So, okay, the dashboard thing, is that finished here? Okay, I don't know what. So, okay, so there was some error and it's corrected that. Okay. So, okay, I mean, my role here is just saying, okay, this is what you need to do. This is I'll give you access to these folders, and you do this and that. Another thing that I do also is I have for each folder that I am running this in, I have a GitHub account, a GitHub project on that. So I will also tell it, okay, every time you make a change, commit that to GitHub, and so it is automatically able to write that code, push that code with a proper commit message. So I know I can know and retract like if something is wrong and like if it wrote something that is wrong, things like that. Uh, Okay, so here there's something wrong. So okay, here this has already finished. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the dashboard that Codex has created, right? Like, so here there is this. I mean, the numbers are slightly different because there's some cleaning and all of that stuff, which I did not specify in these files. But there's some attention checks, so you remove that, and these numbers will go down. But already, like even nothing, not thinking about like any hosting this publicly or whatever. Like I want to look at my results very quickly, right? Like this is just one command that I can do that'll give me a very quick look, right? Like I can say, okay, for demographics, it looks like okay, there's only one non-binary. Female is 412, male is so this is among employed. This is all respondents. This is the way, right? Like so, and then you can do this sort of interaction. So you can say by gender, by out of only the people who are working, all of this stuff. Employment, this is how it is. Employer type, so is it by work, number of days work, number of hours work. This is extremely detailed already, right? Like even for me to check like quickly, right? Like so, I don't know what this is. So this is top. N is okay, it doesn't change. So this thing is, oh, okay, this is just top one, top two, top three kind of thing, I think. Okay, it doesn't work properly, but okay, tool co-usage pairs. Okay. Yeah, so for me, like this is already super good, right? Like non-use reasons, like okay, it says these are the top reasons why people are not using it. Like then there's quality checks and number of people who have passed these quality checks. So Q32 and Q33 are actually the quality checks. So yeah, these many number of people have passed these quality checks. So let's check what these others have done. Okay, so here, okay, like again, like this has produced something. So that was the dashboard from Codex. Now let's check the dashboard from Gemini. So here's, okay, so there's something that is wrong here. So usually when these things are wrong, like you can just go here and check here. So it says dashboard data, da, 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 da. Okay, there's some course policy, so that's the error. So okay, one thing that you can do is now you can say just take a screenshot. You can say I'll take a screenshot like this, um, and then I'll say save to documents, maybe, I don't know. Then um, I'll say move slash documents screenshot 2026. I'll move it to the Gemini screenshot 1.png. There's an error I get loading the dashboard. I included a screenshot 1.png with the error. Please, oops, check and fix it. Okay, so Claude is still doing the analysis or working on it. Um, okay, so it's writing. Yeah, I mean, first it's just exploring all of the man. Okay, it's it's exploring all of the data again, like with writing its own code and all of that stuff because I had canceled this. Don't explore the data, just work with data in this folder and create a nice dashboard. Okay, so let me try that. Okay, so yeah, so basically it just said, okay, you cannot run this thing here. I'm assuming, right? Like, okay, or actually there's the script that I need to run in order to be able to run that thing as a server. So, okay, let's see. So now I go to this instead of just directly opening the file, I go to this. Okay, even here it says there's an error. Okay, now I can go and like have it fix this, right? Like this is the same way I can do it. Like I can just take a screenshot, give it to that and tell it like, okay, this is an error. Like, so yeah, all of these are errors because there's some stuff here. So basically, I think yeah, the error was this, but now there's some other error. Okay, so yeah, basically, I mean, already we got a sense of like how this dashboard looked like. I mean, let's just once fix this thing with with Gemini so that I can show you how that looks. Move document screenshot. Okay, so I can just say, okay, I gave it the same thing. Okay, so now I think it fixed that. So let's try to do this again. Okay, man. I don't know actually what's happening. Um, so here it says, okay, I mean, I think the main thing is just that there's this policy that you cannot load these files locally. So if I hosted this on a server, it would run properly. So I think that's fine. So yeah, that's the reason. But anyway, so you can see the process. Like it just took like 2 minutes to, and I mean, it'll look like this. Like so, it has these demographics results, and then the these kind of stuff. So I can even say, okay, I will host the HTML files in a server. Just give me the instructions on what to do and what to copy. So I have a server that I can host these on, like so I can just directly host them there. So it will just tell me, okay, locate the dashboard folder, copy the entire directory, and they have all these, right? Like, so what I'll do is just I'll say cp um, sr dashboard. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this to temp. Let's see. So, okay, so there's that dashboard, there's dashboard. Okay, this thing is not there. Oh, okay, it's asking me to run that first. Sorry, so that's the reason why it's not present. So if I didn't run this, then that file is not generated. So that's the reason why that is giving me that error. Uh, So now if I run this, this will generate a dashboard file. Let me show you that file. Okay, dashboard slash what? Where? Uh, Let me see this code. Okay, so it's creating this dot dashboard. Yeah, yeah. I mean, it created the dashboard file in a separate place, which is why, I mean, that's the reason why it's not working actually. So if I just run this here, okay, I need to start this again. Start. Mm, Okay, so now it'll work, right? Like so, and this is the output from Gemini. So again, like these things you can remove. You can say, okay, only produce it for male and female. I think it'll do it. But very quickly, you're able to get a sense of your demographics distribution, employment status, all of these. Okay, then Gen AI work, Gen AI for personal use. I mean, this is a very, very simple, useless dashboard. Yeah, I think the OpenAI one was much more helpful, like much more useful. Here, it's like really trivial, but still, like I mean, again, like how much amount of work would this have been? Versus what we're able to do now. So, okay, let's see what Claude is able to do. Okay, so it says, it's it says, okay, I want to test this out. Okay, why not? Let's check this server, like it's trying to run a server by itself and then test it out and all of that stuff. So here it's been running for 5 minutes now. Okay, so we saw both of these. So now I'll say, okay, now I want to write a research paper which takes all of these analysis and creates a academic research paper out of it. I want the research paper to be well structured and have sections like introduction, motivation, related work, results, data set, discussion, conclusions, and so on. Please do a good job and try to find the related work for this specific project, given what you know about the data and the findings, and give me a LaTeX project folder with the tech file and the all the proper tables and figures that go into it. Please do a good job. Okay, I mean, again, like there's a lot of errors here. This tech is not tech, all of that stuff. Like, but let's see how well it works. Okay, so here it says go here and run this, and then test this out. Let's check that how well. I mean, in general, my belief is that Claude is much better at front end. Like it really does a very good job. And again, like I mean, this is a bit. I mean, you can tell it's AI, like because it has this sort of AI flavor. And already, even with my thing, you can tell these colors and the styles are all like that. But still, like like this type of thing with the bar on top, like this is all like AI generated. It's fine. Like I mean, it's not. But already, like as you can see, the level of sophistication that this is, like it really is able to already like create an independent website. It says, okay, this project is run by this guy. It knows all information about me, where I got the data from. Uh, and then, I mean, these are all interactive, so you can, hover and say, okay, usage by age group, usage by gender. Like really quickly, you can get these a sense of this. This type of design of male, female, like here, you see, you change this, and it's able to change all of them. And then it also has this sort of about explore data, like where more you put more, like for graduates, below graduates, above 5 lakhs, below 5 lakhs, 500,000, whatever things like that. Like, what are the tools that they use? What are the reasons for not using? So, as you can see, like Claude, like really outdoes all of these other stuff. Like, so it's really good. So yeah, let's stop here. I'll create one more video for the paper thing. I don't know, maybe that'll be shorter, but yeah, I'll see you next time.